Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple cartoon owl, in Blender. I'm going to model it and also texture paint it in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our cartoon owl created in Blender. This is very easy model. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.